oh shit, like Hodge twins. Yo, so Britt took me to this place in Stewart, right? Called Fruits and Roots. It's a vegan cuisine place. And
you were hesitant at first.
Hesitant? I was like, a bean burger? I don't know damn burger with beans. That don't even sound right. But dog, shit slap with these volcano chips. Moon rock.
The cashew milk.
Oh yeah, hold on. Bro. This, man, shit bust.
You just gotta be rich to buy it.
Yeah, it's whack. So a burger, 2 burgers, 2 drinks, $40. Hit the like button. We need that. Dog.
Is this a mukbang?
Oh my god. Oh! This is a good one. Oh!
We did it tonight with the pizza.
A pizza mukbang? Oh shit.
Mukbang.
And the dog stuff. Wow. Bro, a mukbang. Oh, sweeties.
Happy motherfucking Monday.
And people watching this shit too. There's a lot of views on that.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Huh? Oh, he looking like a cow.
We're both like cows.
Never mind. Let's not talk shit.
Yeah, nah, he cool though. See, I like people like that. Because, like, they don't give a fuck how they look like in public. Me? I can't do that. I mean, I care a little bit. Because you never know, you might see a baddie somewhere. And then she might, see what you got on. I'm like, oh, shit. But then, I don't know. I feel like you gotta be presentable everywhere you go.
That's not true, because when I do errands, it's not like I dress to impress. I'm literally in PJs with my bun and a hair bun. I'm having a stroke again. A bun in my hair. I was gonna say hair in my bun. Yeah, but I was gonna say hair in my bun.
You don't want that. You might gotta say that. That's gross. You know a lot of dudes got hair in their ass? That's weird.
Women do too. We just wax it. Well,
for real?
Yeah. What, you think we just have not hairy asses?
Honestly.
I wish. That shit would be easier.
It would be easier.
I love how we're talking about ass hair while we're eating.
I know, right? I might just make this mukbang, dog. This shit fresh. I mean, that's what they do. That's easy content. You just gotta eat and then talk about whatever topic it is.
Well, you gotta eat a shit ton of food, so you're gonna be so starving.
Shit ton of food. That's a lot of food, huh?
Damn, you just...
My bad, big dog. I ain't mean to do that to you, dog. There's busting, dog. It's good. Yo, I should try this. If you live near a vegan spot, well, I guess this might be the best bean burger spot, because she took somebody from Miami here. So, yeah. Yeah, I have the information in the description. I probably won't, though. But it's called Fruits and Roots Vegan Cuisine. Just Google it.
In Stewart.
Yeah. You think they're french fries?
You know when you're eating so good and you feeling it, that it just makes you dance?
Man, this is a vegan burger, bro. See? I might gotta do vegan shit sometimes.
I told you.
Yeah.
The other things here good is the Asian noodles, the chia pudding. Like I told you, just gotta be more in the mood for, like, you know, fruity shit. The acai bowl, you gotta try at least once.
Yeah.
So good. It's just so fresh here. But yeah, the black bean burger, like, literally, if I was rich, I'd get this shit at least, you know, once every week, probably.
Damn, that sounds like me in Buffalo Wild Wings. They eat this shit like once a week. Don't disrespect me like that on camera. That shit gonna hurt my feelings. It's not like that. What?
Look at you. Look at your face.
I'm chilling, bro. This is
you know, it's crazy because I was calling him ungrateful because I was taking him because he hasn't eaten. I was like, I'm gonna take you to a place. He was like, vegan? That's ass. Have you ever had it? No. That's gonna be ass though. Look at him now.
Hey, this shit bust.
Shit busted.
Fat. I can't help myself. Man, dog, this shit hit. I might need a nap.
And guess what? You gonna shit real good later too.
Oh.
It's all healthy shit. It's
damn.
Release in the best way possible.
I'm tired of shitting, dog.
See, I can't relate.
Every day, man.
Oh, I don't.
Every day.
I probably every 3 to 4 days. It's bad.
Oh, that's bad.
I know. The doctors said, well, both of my parents have stomach problems, so it's genetic. Like, my mom literally has a shirt that says, I pooped today. Because it's like, whoa. Yeah.
I think that's normal, though. I don't think you're supposed to, well, actually, they say you're supposed to have, like, 3 bowel movements a day or something like that, right?
And it's crazy because it's not like I don't lose my appetite either.
Yeah, same.
I just
It's weird, right? What does that really have to deal with?
Stress.
Stress? Constipation causes stress?
I just missed that. Stress causes constipation. Not constipation causes stress. Well, probably does.
Well, shit, yeah, I mean.
You can't stress till you're stressed.
Oh, man.
Those people look unhappy.
Not me. Oh, damn. You're probably gonna get a divorce.
You're not even looking at her.
Yeah. Maybe he doesn't find her attractive no more. I think that's why old man gotta cheat. And keep the relationship good.
This is where the mukbang ends. Why do you guys talk about cheating not being a problem?
Think about it. Look how old they are. He's unhappy. She's probably like, I don't want you going to Gwendolyn's house. But like Gwendolyn is the reason why their relationship is still afloat. You gotta think about it. Look, guys, don't cheat. But if you do, let your partner know. Because then you give her the option to be like, okay. Or she say, no. And then she leave you.
Oh shit, my appointment's at 2 and I gotta still drop you off. I'm about to go zoom zoom.
We gonna go fast?
Literally, in a Mazda zoom zoom.
Alright, the damn rod start knocking, I'ma laugh. Oh, it's a runner, you straight. Knock that bitch out, not me.
Not me.
Shit. Oh.
No part.
No. I had to get my stomach right. I was tweeting a little bit. Man, this is heat.
No, I'm eating at least.
Oh, man.
These boys' farts are hot.
Yeah. Dude, like, I don't know if it's... You ever fart and your butthole get hot?
Yeah. Because you were holding it in. It was just simmering.
So that's normal. I thought I was the only person with hot asshole when he farts.
No, well, not all the time.
Not all the time.
Oh, I think about all the time.
It's like, it gives off heat. Like, that's not...
Yeah, I'm not gonna cap. That's normal.
Man. Yeah, heated farts.
When you're a girl and you let one rip and you're sitting, it goes up to the front. Girls, you know what I'm talking about.
Bro, what?
Yeah, it's like...
What the fuck? What? Oh, no.
It's the air, just because we're sitting on it, so just... We got lips, so it's just... Whoop.
So it goes to the vagina area. Ew.
That's why they call it...
Queefing?
No, queefing's different. Well, it's kind of like a queef. Well, your vagina can queef, and it sounds like a fart, but it doesn't stink.
That shit is hilarious. One time, I was doing something with this girl, right?
Uh-huh.
And out of nowhere, she started queefing. But we were laughing for
That's
like...
that wet. That's that wet.
We were laughing for like 20 minutes straight, bro.
That's good. I'm glad you guys were laughing together, and not you weren't laughing at her. I don't think I've ever...
I mean, I think I was laughing at her, and then she started funny, because like, I stopped like mid-stroke, and I was just like laughing with it. It was hilarious.
You're mean.
I've never had that happen before.
He ate all his food like a big boy.
That shit was busting. Watch me come back here like once a week sometimes.
I know. You'll
Hey,
be like,
you
Britt,
down? It's Monday. You ain't doing shit. Pull up. Let's go. Yeah, bro. It might not be a tradition.
You already know. We out here always eating good food.
Fact.
And it's gonna make us shit like a normal person.
Damn. That shit slap.
Put your friends on good shit. Don't be fake and try to ruin their bodies. We out here trying to do better.
I want to eat some wings tonight.
I like you want to pizza. Why not pizza and wings?
Ooh.
And that's on constipation.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
on heartburn. That's on diabetes.
I got hypertension.
You do? Do you even know what that is?
Nope. But I feel like I got it though. It sounds like some shit I would have. They say 1 in 5 black folks get it.
If you guys ever become friends with Percy in a personal level, you just have to accept how things are. You just got...
Dog, I feel like I'm a rich white man that golfs on Sundays and spend time with his kids on Thursdays and Fridays, and then the wife get them Saturday and Sunday.
And then the mistress gets you on Tuesdays.
Yeah, when I pipe her down.
And then the girlfriend gets you whenever baby mama drama is not around.
But this shit right here, this right here is slap. Yeah, this shit, you put me on, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna give you a little street cred way in New Missouri. Now I'm gonna give you a little.
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? That's it. But think about it. Anything that we have tried together that I put you on, has it been bad?
Nope. Been fire. You might. We share a similar
taste
food.
buds.
Yeah, taste buds.
The taste buds.
Well, I don't know, cause you don't put beat ups, dog, and that shit.
Oh shit.
That shit. Oh Lord, the camera. All right, we back. Oh Lord. All right, we back. Yeah, like I was stating, she don't really with beat ups, and like beat ups is my favorite spot.
Wings. But you know the wings that I've taken you to, you like them too.
Oh, they slap. I'm a wing connoisseur.
Yeah,
my
so
goal
beat ups are just
is to travel the world eating wings.
That sounds like a dream.
That sounds like a fucking dream.
Just imagine like just some crispy.
I don't like crispy wings. They gotta be soft. I don't like crispy wings.
Really?
Yeah, I
love that crunch.
Oh, I can't do it, bruh. Cause then it don't taste. I don't know. It's weird. I like my wings like.
Do you like your fries soggy or crunchy?
In between.
You got a stroke too.
That shit got big tech.
Oh shit.
Oh man. Yeah, it depends.
Okay. So, but wings soft and in the middle.
Yeah, like crinkle cut French fries are my favorite. Those are my favorite
really?
French fries.
Mine are waffle.
Waffle? Oh, waffle fries.
Waffle
slap.
and shoe. What do they call shoelace?
Oh, like the Arby's fries, the shoestring lace.
Shoestring, yeah.
Yeah, like they look like a little, like a
skinny. They're like at Steak and Shake too.
Oh, you like okay, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Never mind, you don't. Not the Arby's. Arby's got like that like coil.
Yeah,
like,
no, not the coil.
So you like the skinnier
Skinnier
than McDonald's one, like the
yes,
okay.
And then the waffle fries like Chick-fil-A.
Okay. Yo, Chick-fil-A fries slap.
With some ranch. I just love ranch.
You got a problem. You got ranch. A problem,
Pizza with
dog.
Ranch, wings with ranch.
Nasty, dog.
Fries with ranch.
That's just gross.
So good. That's my ketchup.
Well, I don't like ketchup on chicken. I do not like ketchup on chicken.
Really?
Yeah, I can't do it.
Not even chicken tenders?
I can't do it. I cannot do chicken.
Might want
it gotta be honey mustard.
Really?
Yeah, I can't. Only time I can eat ketchup is on French fries.
See, I eat ranch with.
On your French fries too?
Yeah. Or mayonnaise. I love mayonnaise too. Mayonnaise is good.
Mayonnaise slap. I love mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise mixed with ketchup. My dad used to mix that all the time together when I was a little kid and then serve it to
I know
me.
someone used to do that. Ugh. They call it like, now they make a sauce of it now. Like it's marketed now.
Yeah, it is. Ketchup mayo. Heinz sells it. Not sponsored. Hey, what's up? We need the money. That stimmy don't do enough.
But I didn't even get my stimmy yet.
No? I got it yesterday. I got it late because it was my first stimmy because I didn't qualify
you
for
didn't
the
get the
other
other ones? Wow. No. I ain't get shit yet. I'm finna put on some black Air Forces. Why is the bridge closed? And they know this shit fell last year sometime. Oh, Lord.
It fell? Don't say that.
It did last year. That's why they closed the bridge for like...
it collapsed? No way.
Oh, no, I didn't collapse. Some shit broke on the rails.
Don't say it, because that's why I always need to have a moonroof in any car that I own, because I always think of, my brain is just fucked up. I always think, like, if I were to fall, this would be the escape, because the pressure of trying to open a door underwater, you can't do that. So I usually drive with this open, but we're on it. But yeah.
Damn, I didn't know all that. I hate sunroofs.
Like, I literally am terrified person when I say I don't even like to think about it, because that's how much it fucks in my head to think if I had a kid in the back seat in a car seat and we fell in the water in a car, I can't get them out. There's no way. My kid is dying. Like, that shit, like, literally fucks with me so much. Yeah, that's why I don't like driving over bridges.
Yeah, I don't like driving bridges. I always feel like that's probably the way I go.
I don't think I'm gonna...
I can't swim.
I don't think I'm gonna die in a car. I really don't. I feel like I cheat death when it comes to car shit. But
yeah, I would say the same, but I can't say that because now I just jinxed myself, and God was like, "Yeah, nigga, you know what I be huh?
Yada yada, you're rada.
So you know how like
I'm gonna be so late for my appointment. I'm gonna be charged for it.
Yeah, it's already 2 o'clock. By the time I get home, it's gonna be 2:27. By the time I get home,
her and say that like traffic is crazy. I'll just drop you off here, okay? How about I turn around and you just walk around downtown Stewart for 2 hours?
Facts, bruh.
Really?
Hell no. Hell no. I got stuff to do.
I got excited. I said, hell yeah. Because my appointment takes about an hour. Do you get the chills or something? It felt that good?
Man, fuck this video. Hey, I'm gonna upload this shit as like a mukbang, bro.
Mukbang slash car vlog.
Yeah, bro. Fuck it. My first ever mukbang. I'm mukbanging out here.
Mukbang.
I need a
Is
bang.
it mukbang or mukbang?
Mukbang. Mukbang. It's called mukbang.
Mukbang.
Yeah, mukbang.
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 Mukbang. It's mukbang. We said that way too good.
Mukbang.
Quick to Dept.
Yeah, what the mukbang? What the hell? Mukbang.
I love it. I love it.
Mukbang. Mukbang. Yeah, what the mukbang?
Where's mukbang
Chinese.
originated from? Is it?
Chinese.
Are you sure?
China. They from Chinese. They eat food. They from Chinese. Hey. Hit the like button for another rendition of this. I'm going right to demonetize. That's it. I'm blacklisting my channel again. Yep. Hey, I'm a